another video, and probably from the title of this video, you probably know what we're going to be doing today. And what we are going to be doing is recreating outfits. Yay! So I'm online and typed in cute outfits, and I've chosen this outfit. So it's got like a nice black tank top with a nice checkered skirt, some nice black leather boots. I'm going to skip the tights, kind of over the tights, and some nice see-through glasses. I mean, every glasses are see-through, but you know. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off by doing the tank top because that's like the main. And I know there isn't no hair to this, but I was thinking of maybe a bun. For that, really. So yeah, let me just get everything off first. Okay, so let's go. That's that much money. Whew, God. Like, who would buy that? Just an icon on it. Jeez. Anyway, I'm going to start looking. Oh, here we go. Here's, so this is actually perfect. Like, it's exactly the same. Okay, so now we're moving on to the checkered skirt. Now, let's see if I've got a skirt. Oh, we haven't. I'm just going to stick to all bottoms then, because if I ain't got a skirt, well, there's no point. It'll probably be in the dresses, I'm guessing, actually. Right, here we go. Here's where skirts is. Anyway, let's look for this checkered, like, dark red, black skirt. Oh my god, it's there. Now, I mean, it's got a chain on it, but it's, it will do for now. Okay, so let's see what's like. The black leather boots. Well, I'm trying to make this video as quick as I possibly can for you guys. So yeah, let's look at the boots. I'm guessing it will be in the boots. Let's have a look. Will these work? No, I don't think so. Let's have a look at some more. No. Oh god, 5 minutes to 9 o'clock at night, by the way. Ugh, I'm tired. God, there's not any shoes anywhere. There's only 12 of them. So it's actually pretty low. Oh, I'm going into the old-fashioned stuff now. Let's try heels, because they're kind of a heel. Oh wait, what was that? Oh, maybe. You know, I don't have enough to buy these. I'll just put them on my wish list and maybe see if one of my friends can get them for me. I'll just tell her it's for a video. These look alright. Yeah, well, I think I found them. There you go, perfect. Okay, so because... Wait, glasses! Oh no, the glasses, we forgot the glasses! Okay, let's just go glasses. And I'm not going to speak through any of this, and it's going to be super fast, so yeah. Okay, I've just found these. These look about right, they look alright. No, they're not perfect. Let's carry on. I noticed they're quite bulky as well, so we're going to have to look for something like that. Not many, is there? Well, we're going to have to go through the whole lot. I'm going to pause it because like, it's going to take forever. Okay, for some reason my computer is not working and it's just like froze for no reason, so... Okay guys, so I have now found the perfect glasses, and because she's bold, I'm just going to add like a hairstyle just so it looks kind of good, because it don't look nice that she's bold at the moment. So, yeah, I'm just going to try and find like a bun style, like something like this maybe. Or, I don't know, but I'm going to just have a quick look, because I don't like her being bold. So, yeah. And also, I just want to say, it's come up to quite a nice price, because it's not too much. Do you get what I mean? It's quite a nice, cheap, easy going, any noob could buy it. I think that's alright. And personally, if I bought this, I wouldn't wear the glasses, because I really think it ruins the outfit, but I guess it's like creating that outfit we saw. So, oh, I like that. I think that might work. Maybe if we turn it pink. Turn it this colour. Yeah, so this is the final look. Hope you like it. So we have that hair which didn't cover it, so we ain't going to do that. So we have the big specs. Check. The boots. Check. The checkered skirt. Check. The tank top. Check. I didn't do the tights because you can't really add tights to it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like it. And, like, send me a link on YouTube if you can, or in the comments, tell me what look to make next, and subscribe, like, comment, and bye!